Hello guys! Welcome sa ating channel! It's been a while and we are back. Today we will unbox kasi pinadalhan ko ng another PR kit. Suki na ako sa kanila, and with that, thank you so much. And excited ba kayo kung ano ang i-unbox natin for today's video? This is a reminder for us mommies. Every day is Mother's Day. Open na natin ah. Thank you SCT family for sending this over to me. Ito ang kanilang pinadala sa akin. It says here, Mamahaling Skin. Hello SCT Zen. This Mother's Day, share the love with SCTs. One for me and one for Mama. All about that mamahaling skin. It's more than skincare. It's about sharing laughs, stories, and love. It comes with the GKU soap, which is their Glutaskin Ultra Soap. Marami-rami na po akong videos with this product. So, binibili ko ulit brands na hiyang sa akin at nagagandahan ako. Gluta Kojic Ultra Lotion. If you are using Kojic soap, maganda talaga na meron kang lotion afterwards. Kasi if there is a Kojic na ingredients, talagang drying siya sa skin. So, ito ang kanilang bagong formulation at hindi ko pa ito na-try. And thank you for giving me this at I will really try this and compare the difference nung dati na soap lang nila ang ginagamit ko. Wala pa yung lotion nila. Siguro super putikad to kasi meron ng combo ng kanilang lotion. So ito ay herbal hand and body lotion enriched with extra herbal skin moisturizer, paraben free for men and women, 100 ml, fast absorbing with glossy white effect. So yan, I'm so excited to try this on. Meron ding pa-surprise sila sa akin. The handle na macaroons, parang cupcake na macaroons. So it says here, Happy Mother's Day from SCT. Thank you so much SCT for really taking time to celebrate as mothers. Maganda ata ito no, sa shower room natin. Candlelight while we are doing our pampering. Using the GKU soap. Scented candle ata ito. Buksan natin. I really thought that this is a real macaroons. We'll try to get. So ito siya. Oh, super cute. Happy Mother's Day from SCT. Mabango nga siya. Cake, parang cake. Parang cupcake na in macaroons form. Sarap kainin. The instruction here is to trim the wick. Ang pangalan nito pala is wick, W-I-C-K. 1/4 size, trim it before lighting. So, we'll try this while we are in our comfort rooms, while we are taking our bath. Siguro maganda ang feel na parang meron tayong scented candle, aromatic ang feel at parang relaxing and comforting ang pakiramdam while we are doing our me time in our comfort rooms or in our bathrooms. Ito lang po talaga ang ating unboxing today. It's all about the PR kit from SCT. Salamat po ako sa inyo kasi meron lang kayong mga bagong mga promos and meron kayong nila-launch ng mga new products. Hindi nyo talaga ako nakakalimutan na padalhan. And with that, thank you so much. Remember that it's important to take care of ourselves for us to achieve our dreams and goals in life. Because if you don't have self-care, how can you be able to achieve those dreams that we are working on and really trying to achieve? With that, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next videos. Happy Mother's Day! Thank you, SCT!